Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Hital's Cornerstone. So, in today's video, we will check out Duolingo English test. We will see all the mixed tests which are asked in this type of examination like missing letters, vocabulary, recording yourself and writing minimum 50 words. So, this type of question we will see in this video. You can say that sample test also. But before that, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and so subscribe now if you are new and like button also so you will get new and updated information in the Duolingo English test and IELTS general tailing and academic also. So let's begin with this video sample test of Duolingo English test. So let's begin. Type the missing letter to complete the text below within a 3 minutes. But I'm suggesting you have to try to complete this type of question within a 2 minutes and one minute is spare with you for proofreading. Whatever the mistakes you have done, like spelling mistakes or something else, you must know better than me because you are giving the examination of this test. Okay, so let's begin with that. And what you can do, just pause this video for 2 minutes and write down all the answers with on piece of paper and check out later on, right? So let's begin. We spend a blank part of our blank life talking with other people blank. Consequently, we blank very blank to the art of conversing. But why do fill blank in conversation that have flow but get blank and distraught when a conversation blank interrupted by unexpected blank? To answer this blank, we will first look blank some of the blank of conversational flow, then we blank explain how flow can serve different social needs. So this type of question asked in this test. So let's check out the answers of this missing letter. Right, I hope you all have paused this video and written down all the answers in a piece of paper. Okay, and then you are checking your answers. So let's check out the answers of that. Answers of that question, we spend a large part of our daily life talking with other people and consequently we are committed ACCU. Then you have to write STOMED to the art of conversing. But why do feel comfortable? So you have to write TABLE in conversation that have flow but get nervous. VOUS you have to write and distraught when a conversation is interrupted by unexpected silences. So you have to write NCES in that missing letter. To answer this question, we will first look at, you have to write T, some of the efforts ORTS of conversational flow. Then we will, you have to write double L, explain how flow can serve different social needs. So this is the full answers of this question. I hope you have written all the answers in a piece of paper and then you are checking these answers. Okay, let's check out another sample. Select the real English word in the list and you have to complete this question within a minute. So I am not going to spell out each and every vocabulary real English word. What you have to do, just select the real English word, not the wrong English word, and later on I will provide you answers of this vocabulary of real English word list. And here also you can do the same thing what you have done in the missing letter. Just write down whichever the real English word. Start from the harmony, financially, celebration, registration, community. While reading this question or reading this word, you must know this is correct or no. There is some mistake with this word. So you must know COMM आएगा. Over here there should be COMM. Okay. Photography, representative. Something is wrong with this word. Occasions. Okay. Voluntary, judgment, awkward, fascinate, administration, university. Okay, something is wrong. This university word. Accommodation wrong. Vegetation, camera, neighbors. Okay, so you have to select the real English word within a minute and you have to press the next button within that minute. So let's check out the answers of that words. So this is the COMMUNITY community, representative, TATIVE, representative, occasions, OCCASIONS, voluntary, judgment, awkward, AWKWARD, fascinate, administration, university, UNIVERSITY, accommodation, ACCOMMODATION, vegetation, VEGETATION, camera, and last one is neighbors, NEIGHBOURS. So this is the answers of the real English words. Let's check out the another question. Speak the English word for each image within a 3 seconds. You have to speak that English word for each image. Your pronunciation must be clear. Look at this picture and speak. Harmonium. HARMONIUM. You don't have to spell out over that, but for your clarification, I am doing this. Harmonium. Let's record yourself saying the statement below. So within a 20 second, you have to give the answer of this question. You have to record yourself. So you have to speak loudly. Like this way, educational challenges of the future. So you have to read that question in your mind and speak out loudly. Educational challenges of the future and your pronunciation must be clear. Okay, let's check another. Speak English. Speak the English word for each image within a 3 second. So answer is tiger. Next one. The impact of the education system on Finland's economy. Right way, you have to record yourself saying the statement below. Next, we will check out. Write one or more sentences that describe image. So this is the image in front of you. Say that this image are asked in the examination of Duolingo, and what you will write. You have to write one or two sentences. So look at this image. There are 4 to 5 persons who are sitting in one hall, one room and discussing on one topic, and there one lady who is writing in the whiteboard with a red pen. Okay, two or them, two persons are writing something in the laptop. This way you can describe in a very basic manner way. But let's check out the perfect answer. What I have written over here. So look this picture and we will see answer of that. This picture shows that employees, these are employees, engage with one another in a positive way because all are laughing and communicating their ideas. So engage with one another in a positive way throughout the workday and signifies that employees and teams will work well together cross functionally to accomplish their goals. Okay, so this is a perfect answer of this picture image. If you know the another answer, so please comment me in the comment box, and just you have to write one or two sentences and I will provide you another home practice, one image. Okay, this is a image. Write one or more sentences that describe image. So please give me answer in the comment box. Right. Next we will see. Write 3 to 5 minutes about the topic below within a 5 minutes. Right, and the minimum word is 50. So you have to at least 50 words, but you can go beyond that within a time limit. But I'm suggesting you try to finish this type of question within a 3.5 or 4 minutes, and 1 minute must be spared for proofreading. Just you have to check that this is correct or not. So let's begin. Talk about a good habit you want to adopt. Question is that What is that habit? Next question, what are its benefits? So try to give the answer of both the question which are asked in the examination. Whether you are giving Duolingo, as PT, but you have to try to give the answer each and every questions what are asked, right? So let's begin with the answers. A good habit I want to adopt in my life, getting up early in the morning. Or another way you can write, I want to have a habit of waking up early in the morning, but I prefer first one. A good habit I want to adopt in my life, getting up early in the morning. Next, at present, because of getting up late, I am facing some troubles. Firstly, I miss the early morning time, which is good for exercise as well as to worship to God. Next one, secondly, I get late at work. This is tarnishing my impression in my office, or you can say in my work area, in my college. So whatever you are thinking, so you can write but I prefer this is tarnishing my impression in my office or in my work area. Moreover, because of rising late, I do not I don't even feel fresh. The main reason behind rising late is keeping awake till late night, enjoying Facebook and another social media. Furthermore, sending messages and uploading pictures and videos. So this I gave the answers why I was not waking up early in the morning, because I was wasting my time in the night just enjoying Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp and just gossiping with my friends. So that's why I was not able to get up early in the morning. So I want to adopt a habit of going to bed early and to get up early too without any discomforts. So let's check out the benefits. What are the benefits of getting up early in the morning? So this is the answer of question 2. There are numerous benefits of waking up early in the morning. For instance, I would be able to go for jogging with my friends and even find time to read the newspaper. You can write whatever yours benefit. Next one, I would also get time to spend with my family. At present, I hardly find any time for my family, as or you can write anytime for my family and friends or for my near and dear ones. Okay, so you can update over here for my near and dear ones. That will be more better, as I am always getting late for work in the morning. Next, also I can't forget any important matter, as I will have ample of time to plan my day carefully. So this is the way you can write your answers. And so I will provide you another one also. And if I get up early, I can solve this problem. And of course, as all of us know, early to bed and early to rise makes one healthy, wealthy and wise. This is a perfect answer of this question. Why I want to adopt that life to get up early in the morning.
Yes, she is at home. Yes, she is at home.
And type the statement that you hear. So speak the English word as it appears within a 3 seconds. Speak. Yes, I am going to eat. Yes, I am going to eat. My dad does not eat fish. I need to record. My dad does not eat fish.
She does not like soccer.
Type the statement that you hear.
She does not like soccer.
Next time.
She does not like soccer.
And then you have to press next button. Catch. Let's practice of another. Select the real English word in this list. Let's begin.
Merb. Events.
Again. carpet,
Havuther.
lost, Collinger,
Allery.
Churst,
So you have to select whatever the correct word. Okay. So you have to press the next button, whichever the correct word this way. In next,
My opinion is completely different from yours.
write the statement that you hear.
My opinion is completely different from yours.
Next time.
My opinion is completely different from yours.
And you have to press the button, you have to type the statement what you are hearing. You had just 3 chance, and within a 2 chance you have to complete that question, that answer, your response. And in last one, just you have to check whatever you written is correct or not.